Fontainebleau. This is the Noble Suite. And as you come in, here's the first bathroom. Oh, with a full shower. Single sink. Come out to the living room. A little private kitchen with a sink. But this is whiskey glasses. It's your own personal fridge. And they got empty, and this is the pay bar and the pay snacks. On a little counter, you'll have two high seats here. Living room, got about a 70-inch TV right there. And that's the view. It's the Las Vegas Convention Center. There's the Sphere, Encore, and the rest of the Strip, Resorts World. You go into the master bedroom. That's a king, and another 70-inch screen TV here. And hit those. And you got automatic opening shears and drapes. And here's the master bathroom. You got a little closet here for storage. Closet here for clothes. Comes with a safe. A couple slippers, hangers. No ironing board. Oh, there's a steamer though. And master bathrooms, you got dual sinks. Big shower. And your own little toilet room. This is supposed to have a bathtub, but not here. But yeah, this is Fontainebleau, Las Vegas, Noble Suite.